In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely navigate and potentially participate in the Crypto Box code up to 25 USDT offers you might encounter online. As enticing as these offers may seem, it's crucial to exercise caution and verify their authenticity. Many of the posts you see about earning up to $25 USDT by sharing a Crypto Box code are often user-generated content and may not be officially sanctioned by Binance. In many instances, these can be misleading, act as clickbait, or, worse yet, be scams designed to extract personal information or entice you into fraudulent activities. So, let's dive into how you can assess these offers and ensure your safety. First, let's take a look at what I've found online about these offers. There are numerous posts and claims suggesting that you can earn rewards by sharing a red packet or Crypto Box code with others. Some posts even describe the process as creating a red packet, sharing it with friends, and, once they claim it, you receive a reward such as 25 USDT. While this might sound straightforward and alluring, it's imperative to recognize that many of these claims may originate from unofficial user promotions. These are not necessarily supported by Binance, the platform supposedly hosting these offers. That's where verification becomes the crucial step. You always want to lean on Binance's official channels to confirm whether an offer is real. Binance has a designated activity page, sometimes referred to as Share Red Packets, where they periodically host legitimate promotions. Before participating in any offer you find, cross-reference it with this official activity page. This will provide you with the assurance that the offer you are interested in is authorized and facilitated by Binance. Also, always be on the lookout for the telltale signs of scams, such as overly publicized promotions, offers that seem too good to be true, or those asking for excessive personal information right off the bat. Trustworthy offers will be clear about the terms and conditions, any requirements you need to fulfill, and most importantly, they will exist on the official Binance website or their well-verified channels. Finally, a useful tip is to connect with Binance's customer service or support for any ambiguities. If at any point you feel uncertain about an offer, reaching out for confirmation from Binance can be an easy way to dispel doubts. By following these steps and tips, you can navigate the world of crypto offers with more confidence and security. Always remember, in the realm of digital finance, vigilance is your strongest asset.